Stop guessing what to type. It's time to stop talking to AI and start engineering it. I'm giving you 10 proven prompt formulas you can copy, paste, and use immediately. Let's upgrade your workflow. These aren't just tips. They're powerful templates designed to get you the exact output you need every single time. Imagine turning a messy block of notes into a perfectly structured report with just one command. Or brainstorming a month's worth of content ideas in minutes. That's the power of a well-engineered prompt. We'll cover everything from the persona pattern, which makes ChatGPT act like an expert in any field, to the recipe formula for creating step-by-step guides on any topic. We'll also dive into the audience persona template to tailor your content perfectly for your target readers. Ready to transform your prompts from simple questions to powerful instructions? Let's get started.
All right, let's talk about getting more out of AI. We're all used to asking ChatGPT and other tools simple questions. But what if I told you there's a better way? Today, we're going to ditch the basic questions and learn how to give powerful instructions that get you incredibly specific and way more useful answers. Let's dive in.
So, does this look familiar? You ask the AI for help, and what you get back is, well, this. A bland, generic wall of text that doesn't really help at all. It's super common, but here's the thing. It's not really the AI's fault. It all comes down to how we're asking. And this right here shows you the night and day difference. On the left, a weak prompt, write about time management, gets you, a generic school essay. But on the right, a powerful formula gives you a specific, actionable plan you can use this week. See the difference? It's not about asking a question, it's about giving a really great instruction.
Okay, so our first set of formulas is all about building that foundation. It's all about clarity. Because when you can tell the AI exactly what you're looking for, it's basically forced to give you something focused, relevant, and genuinely helpful.
First up, explain like I'm 10. Oh, this one is a classic for a reason. It's your secret weapon for cutting through the jargon on any complex topic. Just look at how it takes something like blockchain and, poof, turns it into a simple idea about a shared notebook that everyone can see. It's that analogy that makes the whole thing click.
Next, we've got, I want you to help me. I love how direct this is. You're not just asking a question about a topic, you're stating your goal. By giving it that crucial piece of context, that you're a busy parent, it just skips all the abstract theory and gives you real concrete steps to take right away. It just goes to show context is everything.
And that leads perfectly into this formula. Give me a step-by-step plan. Seriously, think of this as having a project manager in your pocket. It can take a huge, overwhelming goal like learn Spanish and break it down into a manageable, month-by-month, even day-by-day roadmap. Suddenly, it doesn't feel so scary. You know exactly what to do first.
Okay, so we've got clarity down. Let's move on to actually getting stuff done. This next batch of formulas is all about turning the AI into your own personal content machine. A writer, an editor, a brainstormer that's going to save you so much time.
The turn this into formula is an absolute lifesaver. You can just dump your messy, rough notes, like this quick little message about a report, and it will instantly spin them into a polished, professional email. And it's not just about saving time typing, it's about getting the tone exactly right for whoever you're talking to. Ever feel stuck, just staring at a blank page? Well, Brainstorm X Ideas is your go-to cure for writer's block. Instead of trying to pull something out of thin air, you get a whole list of targeted, ready-to-use ideas, each with a little description. It's the perfect launchpad for any creative project.
Now, for one of my personal favorites, improve this. Okay, take a look at this email. It's blunt, it's kind of demanding, and you can just feel the friction it's going to create. I mean, we've all been tempted to write something like this, but we know it's probably not the best approach.
And look at that, same core message, but a completely different vibe. It's polite, it's professional, and it explains why the report is needed without sounding like a threat. The AI just became your personal communications coach, fine-tuning your words for way more impact. But here's the really cool part. The AI can actually tell you why the new version is better. You can see it broke it down. It softened the language, it explained in the impact, and it added a nice, polite closing. This is where the real value is. You don't just get a better email, you're actually learning how to be a better communicator.
Okay, this is where things get really, really interesting.
With these next formulas, you stop talking to a general-purpose AI. Instead, you get to summon a specialist, a career coach, a financial analyst, you name it, an expert that is perfectly tailored to what you need.
The act as formula is the key that unlocks all of this. By giving the AI a role, you totally change its perspective. And notice what it does. It doesn't just start spitting out advice. It starts by asking you questions to get more detail, just like a real career coach would. That's how you get advice that's actually personal and useful.
Facing a tough decision? You've got to try Compare and Recommend. It neatly lays out the pros and cons of your options in a super clear table. But honestly, the best part is that final recommendation. See how it's not generic? It's specifically tailored to your situation, limited time, and a tight budget.
Oh, this one is a total game changer for getting prepared. With Let's Roleplay, you can practice literally any conversation. A job interview, a salary negotiation, even a tough conversation with a friend. All in a totally safe space. You get to rehearse your lines and build your confidence before you have to do it for real.
And finally, let's talk about learning. It's one thing to get an answer from an AI, but it's another thing to actually understand and remember it, right? This last formula transforms the AI from a simple answer machine into your own personal interactive tutor.
Teaching QuizMe is all about active learning. The AI gives you a small chunk of information, and then, this is the important part, it immediately quizzes you on it. This simple act of recalling the information is what makes it stick in your brain. It's so much more effective than just passively reading an article.
So if there is just one thing you take away from all of this, let it be this. Stop asking simple questions. Start giving powerful instructions. The quality of the answers you get from an AI is a direct reflection of the quality of the instructions you give it. You're not just a user, you're the director.
So there you have it, your new AI toolkit. You now have formulas to get crystal clear answers, to create and polish content in a flash, to call on an expert for any situation, and to actively learn pretty much anything you want.
Think of these formulas as the keys to the kingdom. They can unlock a level of productivity and creativity you haven't even tapped into yet. So, the only question left is, what are you going to build first?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips.